chapter Integers for grade 7, topic Multiplication of Integers. Hello everyone. In my previous videos of integers, I have explained different topics of integers like basic concept of integers, comparison of integers, absolute value of integers, addition and subtraction of integers. In this video, I will explain multiplication of integers. Before starting with this topic, I will revise few important things. First, what are integers? All positive whole numbers, all negative whole numbers and 0 are integers. Second, absolute value of integer. An absolute value of an integer is the numerical value of that number irrespective of the sign. Here it is plus 39, that means it is a positive integer. The absolute value of this plus 39 or positive integer is 39. Second number is negative integer, that is minus 47. The absolute value of minus 47 is 47. So absolute value is nothing but the numerical value irrespective of the sign. Okay, whether it is a positive or negative, we leave the sign and we just write the numerical value, and that numerical value is the absolute value of the integers. So now we will start with the multiplication of integers. For multiplication, we have to remember few important points. The first point is the product of two integers of same sign is always positive. That means when we multiply two integers which are positive or two integers which are negative, then the result will always be a positive integer. Plus into plus, that means positive integer into positive integer, the result will be a positive integer. Negative integer and negative integer, when we multiply minus and minus, we get again a positive integer as a product. For example, plus 7 into plus 6. So here, first we will multiply the absolute values, that is 7 into 6 is 42. Plus and plus into plus, both are having same sign, so the product will be a positive integer. So the sign will be positive or plus. Minus 8 into minus 9, again we will multiply the absolute values. 8 into 9 is 72. Then we will see which signs are present over here. It is negative and negative. Both are having same sign. So here the result will be a positive. So here we will write plus 72. Second point is the product of two integers in which one is positive and other is negative. The product is always negative. So here one positive, one negative, result will always be a negative integer. Positive into negative integer will get a product, a negative integer. If we will multiply negative and positive, then also we will get a negative integer. That means if both the integers are having different sign, one positive, one negative, then result will always be a negative integer. 6 plus 6 into minus 10. So 6 into 10 is 60. It is plus and minus, both are having different signs. So here we will get the product as negative integer. So it will be minus 60. Minus 4 into plus 12. So here 4 into 12 is 48. Minus into plus is always minus or a negative integer. So it will be minus 48. Now few more examples. Now we will multiply three integers and all three integers are positive. So plus 2 into plus 4 into plus 10. So when we will multiply first two numbers, 2 into 4 we get 8 and both the integers are positive. So the answer will be positive. So it will be plus 8. Now plus 8 into plus 10. So 8 into 10 is 80. Both the integers are positive, so we will get the answer positive. So when we will multiply plus 2 into plus 4 into plus 10, we get the answer positive, that is plus 80, a positive integers. Second example, plus 3 into plus 2 into plus 9 into plus 6. So when we multiply plus 3 into plus 2, we get 3 into 2 is 6. Both the integers are positive, so we will get a positive integer. So it will be plus 6. Plus 6 into plus 9. So we will get 6 into 9, 54. Both the integers are positive, so the product will be positive, plus 54. Plus 54 into plus 6. So your 54 into 6 is 324. Both the integers are positive, so we will get the product as positive. From this it is clear that when we multiply integers which are of same positive sign, it is like a normal multiplication of the numbers and we always get the product as a positive integer. When we multiply negative integers, we get different answers. First example I'll take, in which I have taken 3 negative integers. Minus 2 into minus 4 into minus 10. So first we will multiply the absolute values. 2 into 4 is 8. Minus minus both are same sign. So we will get a positive integer. So plus 8. Plus 8 into 10. 8 into 10 is 80. Plus positive integer and negative integer. So here the result will be a negative integer. So here the minus 80 is the product. So when we multiply minus 2 into minus 4 into minus 10, we get a product minus 80. Second example, we will multiply minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 10 into minus 1. 3 into 4 is 12. Both the integers are negative, so the product will be positive. So plus 12. Plus 12 into minus 5. 12 into 5 is 60. 1 is positive integer, 1 is negative integer. So the product will be negative. So here minus 60. Minus 60 into minus 10. 60 into 10 is 600. Both the integers are negative, same sign. So we will get a positive product. So here plus 600. Plus 600 into minus 1. So here 600 into 1 is 600. Plus into minus, that is different signs. So here the result will be negative. So the result will be, the product is minus 600. So when we multiply minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 10 into minus 1, the product is minus 600. From these examples, it is clear that when we multiply odd number of integers, the result is always negative. We are multiplying 3 integers, 1, 2, 3 integers. In the second case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 integers. We are multiplying 5 integers. So again 5 is an odd number. So when we multiply odd number of negative integers, the product is always negative. Now we will multiply even number of negative integers and see what result we get. So in first example, I have taken 4 negative integers, minus 5 into minus 1 into minus 11 into minus 2. So 5 into 1 is 5. Both are having same sign. So here minus minus. So here we will get the product as positive. So plus 5 into minus 11. 5 into 11 is 55. One integer is positive, one is negative. That means different sign is there. So the result will be negative. Minus 55 into minus 2. 55 into 2 is 110. Both the integers are having same sign, so the result will be positive. So the product of minus 5 into minus 1 into minus 11 into minus 2 is plus 110. So when we multiply even number of negative integers, the product is always positive. We will take one more example. Second example, here I have taken 6 negative integers, that is even number of negative integers. Minus 2, minus 5, minus 4, minus 1, minus 10 and minus 7. 2 into 5 is 10. Both the integers are having same negative sign, so the product will be positive. Plus 10 into minus 4. 10 into 4 is 40. Both the integers are having different sign, so we will get the result as negative. So here minus 40 into minus 1. 40 into 1 is 40. Both the integers are negative, that is having same sign, so the result will be positive. Plus 40 into minus 10. 40 into 10 is 400. Both the integers are having different sign, so here the result will be negative. Minus 400 into minus 7. 400 into 7 is 2800. Both the integers are having same negative sign, so the product will be positive. So when we multiply 6 negative integers, we get a positive product. That means again it is clear that when we multiply even number of negative integers, the product is always positive. Now we will revise important points which we have learned in this video. First point, we have learned that product of two integers of same sign is always positive. That means when we multiply two integers which are positive or two integers which are negative, the result will be always positive. Product of two integers with different sign is always negative. When we multiply two integers out of which one is positive and other is negative, the product is always negative. Product of all positive integers is always positive. This is very simple. The product of an even number of negative integers is always positive. The product of an odd number of negative integers is always negative. I'll take two more examples and we'll apply these rules and solve it. Now here there are 5 integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are mixed, positive and negative integers. Plus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5 into plus 4 into minus 10. First we will write positive integers together, plus 2 and plus 4, and negative integers together. Next we will multiply the positive integers. So first we will multiply the absolute values. 2 into 4 is 8, both the positive integers, so we will get a product which will be positive. So plus 8. Now we will multiply all negative integers. Now here there are 3 negative integers are present, and the rule is the product of odd number of negative integers is always negative. So here the product will be negative. So we will write minus. We will multiply 3 into 5 into 10. The product is 150. So minus 150. Finally we will multiply plus 8 and minus 150. So 8 into 150 is 1200. Both the integers with different sign, so the product will be negative. So here when we multiply this integers, the final product we get is negative, that is minus 1200. In second example, there are 6 integers. Out of this, 2 are positive and 4 are negative. If all the integers are positive, then the result is always positive. So when we multiply 1 into 9, we get 9 and both the integers are positive, so the result will be positive. When we multiply 4 negative integers, 4 is an even number. So when we multiply even number of negative integers, the result is always positive. So here when we multiply 6 into 7 into 2 into 8, we get 672. And there are 4, that is even number of integers. So the final product will be positive. When we multiply 9 and 672, we get 6048. Both the integers are now positive, so the final product will be positive. So the final answer will be plus 6048. I hope all the examples and the important points I have taken in this video are clear to you and will be helpful to you. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.